Right, I'm going into Centro. I've got my pass. I think you can see it with my name on it. I haven't got my ID though. Gonna see what happens. See all the social distancing. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Where I am is opening up a little bit at a time. I'm going to take you into Centro and see what's going off there. I don't know what kind of video we're going to do. I know I've got to go and get my hair cut. I've got the mask. I'm just not wearing it yet. I've got to have a shave and a haircut. Hi Ma. No thank you. See, she's always trying to feed me, Ma. So let's go and see where Mel is. I think she's out the back. She's swimming. Or at least she said she was. But don't get excited, guys, because she'll be well covered up. There'll be no bikinis or anything like that. She doesn't do bikinis. I'm surprised that cockerel's not ended up in the pot. There we go, see what I mean? Well, here's everybody thinking you're going to be in your bikini. Where's your bikini?
You're gonna give me 5,000?
Yeah.
Where?
It's nothing to do with money. If you had one, you wouldn't wear it. Don't give me that.
I have bikini. You buy me that, the color blue.
So why are you not wearing it?
Because you did not give me 5,000.
What, to wear it?
Yeah.
I thought you meant to buy the bikini.
Say hi.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
So I'm going to go into Centro and see what's happening. By the time I get to the road.
Oi. Make sure you not, disappear.
Make sure I don't disappear. What would you care? Oh, the pass. You're not worried about me. You're worried about the pass.
You're a big boy.
Yeah, I'm a big boy. Yeah.
You know Centro, right?
Yeah.
Centro, first time you're gonna go to
Yes,
Centro.
but some women might accost me.
You want to join?
No, thank you.
Why?
I don't go in water that's been weeding.
It's new.
Huh?
It's new. It's hot water here. It's only early morning.
Whatever.
It's refreshing.
Bye bye.
It's refreshing. Come lang. This side.
Say bye bye.
Bye. Sophia.
Okay, so Mel says most of the businesses are open now. Now, of course, she was talking about Centro, and she wasn't talking about where we are now. I mean, Grain Smart, it just opens when it wants. We actually need water now, so, and it's not open. I don't want to keep water, too much water, because it goes a little bit off, doesn't it? Stagnant. Or at least it does here anyway. So I best put my mask on, because if any police come along, I'll get fined. Give me there, got my mask on now. So I know you can hear me because I can remember from the other video it's still quite loud. So that old woman that we look after just lives down that entrance there. I'm not going to show you her house, but we might see her in Centro and I can give her some money. I doubt it though. I doubt she'll be allowed in Centro to beg. Plus, I mean, I don't know what it's going to be like, but I wouldn't have thought there's loads of people in. Could be wrong, I could be surprised. Now, changing subject a bit, I've noticed that this new GoPro gets very hot. So far it's not caused any problems, but it gets really, really hot. And I'm guessing it's because the GoPro case obviously is grey black, and the case I've got it in is very black, so it's absorbing the sunlight, the heat. But this is great. I haven't been for a walk for ages, so we should get the vitamin C and vitamin D being made in the body from all the good sun. It's boiling hot, guys. It's in the 90s again. So I'm guessing if you're not one of these that can handle the heat, get out the kitchen. No, I mean, don't come to the Philippines. Yeah, so this business is up here. These are open. Now there should be a checkpoint up here. Yeah, it's still there. So we'll see what happens when I try to pass it, if they stop me to have a look at me pass. Watch. I'll show them the pass and they'll say, have you got any ID? You watch. If they do stop me. We'll see. Looks like you can still buy watermelon, I think. I might buy one of them when I come back. It's best to leave them a couple of days, especially in my kitchen. It gets that hot, it ripens them very quickly. Every time I get bananas and they're green, by the next day they're practically ripe. So just switch you off a minute. Right, so what we got here at this checkpoint, it's not police, it's barangay by the looks of it. Before, a week or so ago, there was police, but not today. It's barangay officials. See how polite they are and stuff. They don't normally bother you, you know. But anyway, like I say, I've got my pass, so it doesn't really matter. So we'll switch you off again, and we'll switch you back on when I get into Centro. So nice piece of land here. Thought I'd switch it on here. If you want to build a hotel and a swimming pool, this would be ideal, but I don't know who it belongs to, but they manage it quite well. They always put fences up to stop the lorries going on, because look what the lorries have been doing to the pavement. It would be a pretty penny, this. It wouldn't be cheap, because it's nearly in the centre of Centro. Now, I can't give too much of my opinion on here for obvious reasons, but I wonder why a lot of people talking to the camera.
What's up, vlog? Hello.
Hello. I wonder why a lot of them doesn't want to wear the masks, apart from it being quite suffocating here, you know, with the heat. I know that sounds like an excuse, but it's not. When I wore the mask the other day and had it fully on my face and not on my nose as well. See, these businesses aren't open, that one is. These are normally open and full of people. Again, we're not going to see a lot of people walking around Centro, that is for sure. They only seem to wear the mask if they think they're going to get, you know, the police is going to catch them and fine them and that kind of thing. Not everybody, but there's quite a few I've seen. So I'm hoping, guys, that come the 15th of May the lockdown will finish and we can get on with life again. There, that shop's open. I need some rat poison because we got about 1 or 2 rats in our roof, the downstairs roof, the top floor, but it's up the roof downstairs. And every night when we go to bed, you can hear them chewing the wood, and there's all wires going around there, and if they chew through a wire, I have a problem. So there's some music, so I'll shut you down a minute, guys. So we'll start up again. Look, the street vendors, they nearly always are. I'm surprised they've been allowed to be out. I thought it was just the main shops that were opening, but as you can see, looks like there's a lot of places open now. So I've got to go for a shave and a haircut, and then I need some things from the local market, so I think I'll get my shave and haircut first. We'll go through here, look. Yeah, it's either barangay or the local safety officers, look. That's doing it now, it's not the police or the army. I think they want to put a friendlier face on things, I guess, which is understandable, of course. So I always go and get my hair cut at the same place. That's the store that we buy from, look. You can see they've got a new delivery, so there doesn't appear to be a shortage, and you can see by the fruit stalls there's definitely not a shortage of fruit. But I would imagine the fruit prices aren't cheap. Let's go and have a look. Let's have a look at the fruit. I know you guys like having a look at these stalls. $15 a quart for them. There might be some cheaper ones. If you come to Naga, the cheapest fruit's on the very top floor. That's because they haven't got to pay as big a rent as these that's down here. So we've got avocado, 25 pesos a quart. So that's 100 pesos a kilo, which I might get some avocado as well. I don't know. I've got to carry it, haven't I? I've got bottles to carry in a bit, and a big bottle of disinfectant I'll want. So there you go. So we'll go in here and go and get my hair cut. Let's see if it's open. And there's a lot of places closed, look, so it might not even be open. Just hope I've got the right bit. I think it's this aisle. But yeah, I think it's this one. For the first time I've got it wrong anyway. So let's see if my hairdresser's open. Or barber, should I say. There's a lot closed. Yeah, here we go. Oh, he's busy, look. Well, busy, he's got somebody cutting his hair. So, I'll leave it here for now, guys.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines! Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.